Kali naman.
Ubusi. Yeah, Tangubonili ngichinjini. The fans from grape to pineapple yaba orange. From sparletta raspberry to sparletta esi
Ma'am.
Tanga se kuyifanisa orange.
Spaletta.
Yama se kuyifanisa orange.
Okay, manje
I understand ne.
Ngiyabuya fade intangathina sisiphathe
Bekalanda ngilokujana.
Letha sisele.
Okay, sobekela secela ke. Indaba yakho uzungajoli tanga inga.
Indaba yami uthi ngajuli. Ukujola kwami ngena la manje.
Joli.
Hayi.
Oh, le ntangalethi kholi ibekela etafuleni.
Oh, ngifuna ikholo. Wayingasho yena madoda.
Ayana. Manje ngiyamstressa yayi.
Mela nisho ukuthi ngifuna ikholi.
Ngajoli lo muntu angobuyasa efisikana ngithi.
Ukujola kwami ngena kule ndaba
Okay,
sicale.
two girls.
Okay, bakuzile kunenkinga.
Kuphi?
Ngine stress kana two girls because indaba yakho uzawujoli serious. Like I'm stressed.
I don't do games. That's my problem.
Why two girls?
There's nothing interesting about it.
Maitanga uinso ubani.
Not girls, not boys.
Mhlambe skinje la umuntu uyasifuna.
Ayakhulula
Okay, you don't like girls, you love God. So why are you cheating?
That's why we repaid. Oh yeah, the name ngiyashesha ke. Like sisifuna shoot amasha.
Yeah. Hebathini ma
Sifuna shoot amasha.
Kata mabingala. Ba
Sanibonani dumelani ukuyamora, it's your boy Infinity. We back with another exciting episode. Eleza indaba bafethu ngiphathele your favorite content creators today, tonight, tomorrow morning, kusasa ekseni, the day olibukela ngayo yangibamba.
Yesterday.
Nice ibonile. And it's live today. The first podcast to be live. Live Zans.
Tashi. Takmaka.
Siya stream ngicabanga. Uthuka abantu abantu nama content creator.
Sayisa isabani camera.
Asitaba lezi esivuthwa uthini.
Kaba mfethu empethu TK.
Wasabaya ukuthi kula mase mani khulisa mase ngintinto ngitho phezulu.
Issue. Hayi thotha uyiphinde baka ngizwana kahle.
Chop is good.
Shayila.
Kuphi?
Unomngaphakathi.
Hlala phansi.
Mhlali phansi.
Yeah.
Mhlali phansi.
Hlala phansi, big camera.
Wasabaya ukuthi thalani.
Wasabaya ukuthi kula mase mani. Wasabaya ukuthi kula mase mani khulisa.
Yo!
Okay guys, so yeah.
No.
Tawani ngeshayila.
After
Let's get it done, man.
ngizami.
Sabantu babo.
Abantu bami yona ngijuli. Ngijuli mina ngamuntu. Sanibonani bafethu. Igama lami lapho.
Ithula message. Okay, so.
Uyabonakala cha?
Yayizwa lethi. Nale uzwile. So yeah, bafethu namhlanje sicale silinga ukuthi like influence social media ebenayo empilweni yakho. Like umuphi umehluko danga like social media kwenza ubone ukuthi
ayikho once waba famous social media ayikho indawo la ufika khona ungahlonipheki. Everywhere you go you are valued.
MTN.
Yeah, valued. Like
Shut up, guys.
awukho labangathathi serious khona nani niyazi machita nawe uyazi la.
Yeah.
Konke la uzovela khona. Obvious abantu even though ungathini. Mara nangizwe.
Mara ikasi la.
Ikasi lakho obvious abantu. expect ukuthi because like lujala ma-ali like so obvious nje.
Okay, yeah. Mara like another thing, influence. Let's tell you man, guys.
Imagine. No.
Mfana ngeshafu futhi siya.
Ngesigibela iteksi, sangasamba ngeteksi, bese
Ama
iteksi
siya mfana ngesigibela nje
Lapho
zalo.
ibe ngibala imali.
bese iteksi imele sigibele.
Bathi fola. Manje ngenza kanjani? Nginikeza ichincha amacoin noma.
Yakana ngenza kanjani jo?
Yeah.
Like imali ya driver. Ngithola imali yakho if I do something. Yabo? Bese like ngiyobuza la movie ngize i-change yase movie njani. Yeah. Understand that.
Tell you say the move.
Yeah, if I just come in,
Ubani ejone change. Ngibabuza kanjalo, yabo? Then yashuthi ngichange
And right takes mo. Mina ngazi wonke umuntu ogibela itaxi futhi. Amagama.
I'm a content case.
Hayi. It's amagama like abana maskibela itaxi.
I think none of them. Serious. Like, why am I content creators?
No, my question is why bathanda ukuyekutha bathi banemali on the socials, but then mawubabheka real life, it's not like that's the situation like ihlukile.
Tell me that in order for you to get followers or in order for like and so on. Yeah.
Mina one thing about mina angengifihli situation yami.
No, mara no. Social mawubheka ama-account kamaharaji what would you assume?
Angeke ngizobakala umuntu esingahlala.
Unemali.
Yeah.
Yeah, mapela mina baba angipost everything like is imali.
Yeah, but then it's not ukuthi post imali or post
just
the way.
Quality
Yeah.
was it so clean.
Okay, yeah. Maybe.
Like akaze wapost usipholele ekhaya eDustin udlala ngenhlabathi.
Awukazi upost unjani bona?
Like ngingazipost lapha ngishaya iPVD yami. Ngishaya vele.
Uyazi bokuqeda ukwenzani?
Ngizodinga. Ayabona manje.
Tabe qedi ngenza?
Ngingekho.
Big never slim.
Mina ngishaya ngeVix.
Albabi. Albabi.
Good generations. TK the need. See.
But like honestly like lento le ukuthi ba fake for like intana like advice like that's why
Uzoba fake.
yeah that's why thola abantu abakuthiwa ba push nayo ngithola lento le mara bafika phambili abantu bayabhoreka njalo ngithola so abasamukelanga wena so babukeli izinto onazo izinto ozomba so like I said involved like life audit.
Yeah.
That's the audit.
But you post on my knees, you know.
Good. I'm going to post to join
My Instagram.
status.
Ngadam status is private yabo abantu
WhatsApp.
Mai ngali.
Vele another thing, why am I friend when ningabi nama number?
Why mele sibe na number?
Mina ngina number wabo. Abantu ngifone yena.
But like, it's yours. I'm a friend. I can go on mine phone anytime. Phone like that. mangivula Facebook nini Facebook mangivula nje ngibona ama-miss call request hayibo IG same thing TikTok hayi vele TikTok bangincedile ngoba ifoni yo basincedile nje
ngifona lehlala ukuthi not disturb
phela solakala why emafonini like why teenagers afaka amafoni abo ku
why vele ufake ifoni yakho ku-TNT
why
mama like tangama ngaba nenkinga makungaba nenkinga kokwakho le-fridge laphayana abafuna ukuthinta
ifridge
mina nje ngifaka ukuthi not disturb mara I'm always active efoni hayi ukuthi ngifake ukuthi mangikumaza ngamabomu sijabelile
ngifonelile lo muntu ekuseni
iva yiko ukuthi
bizo
ngifonelile ekuseni
Mna
Ngaso.
Ngajanga ngizobuyela ku amankhotho shuthi sibili. Mara ngiyadlala yazi ngikhize kufunda wena. Sesena ama contract.
Ayita ngathi ke uyicala kanjani i-consent?
ngicela kanjani tanga ngikhuluma English
Hayi khuluma nje.
khuluma
Sokwembu. Okay. So tanga last year bengenzani bengibhala ama-final yabo
Busha uyi-trick last year.
ngisho matric last year
Yeah.
yabo bengibhala ama-final manje-ke na isijo bengine-stress yabo manje ngine-stress kanjani ngathi ayathinta TikTok to tears yabo amaye bengazi ukuthi izongi-affecta kanje
I-affecta kanjani?
tanga like mangishaya into tanga yabo tanga lento yokujabula tanga ubona abantu bahleka jo
That's why come back to kule question yakho leyo ukuthi why ba like ngitake ukujabulisa ama friends bahlekise imali njalo I understand.
Yeah.
So kuphuma kuwe ukuthi like
ama-content awafani some people bayenza i-content to show izinto abanazo ukuthi bazokwazi ukutrenda so ungathi angeke ukwazi ukujabulisa ama-friends ngemali abanye bazama uku-attract amantombazana ngaleyo mali
ukuwajabulisa in sense of like ukuhleka should sohle ukuthi unemali
ba-attract amantombazana
It's not phela content is not all about comedy.
it's not all about
It's
comedy
not ukuthi njalo uma sibuke TikTok kumele sihleke. Sometimes sihlangana nezinto eziserious la.
andevele like tanga
kuthi sokunama-bible studies my dear.
Kunama-Bible, kunabantu abafunda live. Yazi there's another thing ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. I-TikTok inama-site bafethu. Different. Khona lama-site lamakhuwa athanda ukushama live. Kube nalaba bashaye content phela.
Aboshaba so cause
Yeah,
ushaba
yeah.
like streaming streamer
No, loyo ushaya ku-entertain abantu. Sengisho lama-group kuyabona have you ever scrolla ku-for you ne vele i-live random abantu bayi-group bayazana abangabazani abahlangane ku-TikTok abantu bayacoca wena uma ungena lapha they just bakupressa ngoba bakwazi like
bazana TikTok.
that's how we entertain people
Like,
kumele kuhlezi kube drama
so idrama niyikhosa ngamabomu umuntu uyangena cela uvula ikamera uvula ikamera
siyahleka but leso singayenzi
like yini
but
mfethu
being kind is something emele sihlezi nayo akwazi ukuthi uvule ikamera abanye abantu ba-insecure awazi ukuthi walisa kanjani awo ma-insecurities wakhe so nange umuntu athi uvula ikamera bese niyahleka like what's that shit
especially tanga maniseni kule level yokuthi vele niyazi ukuthi banibhekile abantu if ukwazi ukuvula i-live ubukela abantu abayi-200 plus futhi ubhekiwe tanga
manje tanga isihle tanga wena like i-support yakho tanga engakuthuka tanga like or ikhulume kabi ungayithuka
you just smile
what
into enjalo sifuna uzimayize njalo yabo kulolu kunjani vele ama-comments ama-bad comments uzohlezi wathola every fucking time
phela manje tanga like mebazokubiza amagama bese sobathuka abantu bakubona
njengomuntu omubi uzoyenza bizwa lenisenwanting waphendula i-comment eyi-1 ngabi uzoba umuntu omubi thekunaleli tanga aphileli aphiwe tanga
yeah
kuma-comments akadlali
akadlali
ma-comments wathi waphiwa comment umsangane kunaleli
yakudlali nashaya ividiyo angazi uzibani bakhe
I don't get that ukuthi why azobhadala ama-comment because like recently
umuntu naye
Sentanga ngifuna ubeka iscenario ibona le video ya Prince kuhle I think
yeah ngiyayibona
how like okay sharp like mina nto
idlala ecran
ubuhle
idlala ecran
ngani ngokulaha ngayo i-situation ne
idlala ecran
yeah true yeah kanga into mayihlaba le yalaha ngayo ijoke
mara like why ahleki like anithola into
See,
oh tanga chaza
shuthi lo mntana lo postile izinto zakhe zama my put a feed when the attack and then a shot I give you. I feel like we know good I mean
Oh yeah, because she was being sarcastic.
Yeah, I understand.
Yes, you understand?
Sarcastic.
Yeah, she was like being sarcastic. Like I would tell me I mean it to say I no, like I can like mhlawumbe kunesilahla move on.
Like the facial expression. Then imagine uzokwatela ama comment for E.
But asikume
Uyacriticize uthi ngigcoke kabi nathi. Ngingabi ngibe happy ukuthi wena uthi ngigcoke kabi.
Ngisho yena unalida phiwa kwathi lamanye ukuzokwazi ukwenza ama video kanje. Abanye abantu.
Yeah, oh, ngiyakuthola. Yakela uthini?
there's always two sides of the story. What
No,
if I mean ngale lesicabanga ngathi?
No, yakela uthini ntanga emthola. Uthi if yena ukwazi ukushaya ama video aphesa abantu kuma comment. Then why mabatshela umuntu ka yena enza ngathi nama comment wakwatela. Ekwenayo uyawayenza.
Yazwenzakalana nje yami. Unaleli akavela sukela umuntu acomment. Unaleli bayakhomenta.
Yeah, izwa le. Uyayishaya, unaleli.
Shuzo principle shentanga amngena ngalo.
Unaleli.
Bayambhula. To be honest.
Yeah, isho ukuthi yena ezusizwe omdala sinamanamba.
Since
Onamanamba.
since day one probably.
Since ngimazi mina ubuhle tanga.
Since
Yeah, but like mina it's like best expectanga la video la from Gupu unalida because khona abantu abukela kuyi shuthi internet develop like mina shuthi manana numbers mina ngikho umuntu
shuthi manje audience uyayiphokina like already khona ababonayo abayela khaya naye makashaya video uya-edelela hayi ngababone
so ntambe kuthi lento leyo uyibuza ukuthi
Okay.
so khona abantu abazokuzona vele through DJ I understand uyayizwa nayo ukuthi nabo yabaseleka nani so mfana into le yenziwe unnecessary from the side line akuna personal bandits akuna next like you understand.
Oh yeah, I get you.
I'm sorry, I mean I was just like ngitshela ukuthi like angeke uzokwatela ama comments ekubele ngiza ama comments lana so mina ngithi understand.
Yeah,
it's like yo angazi ukuthi ngi-explain kanjani lento le
Mina can understand.
like fucked up feel fucked up
Emotionally.
ngoba ngathi kunamasente ayi-2 story
Namasenta ayi-2 story.
Ngiyala?
Namasenta.
Amasenta angena manje.
Oh.
Oh yeah, amasente.
Tangane ngicanga ukuthi thina kunamasenta ayi-2 story.
yeah.
Yo abafethi bullying serious social media
Cyberbullying.
ngikazi comment one
Ngiyibona ibullying like mina ngistressa ubuhle for sure lekho ubuhle kahle kahle she's a strong woman. Ubekezela lento mina ngiyakade ngayiyeke social media futhi angifuni uqamba mama nto.
Akuyona ngathi dala yeka.
that's why ngisho ukuthi le video le ishawona leli appeal le ukuthi cela nikeleni irola kakuhle ayinalutho for ini
Because abantu bebamngeni ubuhle since ngaba ne social media mina
bayalamula
Ona oluzama ukuthi unaleli kahle kahle naye umishaye.
uhlekisa ngababongo. Yeah, like into abayishoyo ngizike.
Tanga sota. Anzwa nix.
Sizwile, ngiyibonile le video.
Ngimzwile. Ngiyanizwa.
Ushuta sarcastic da ukuthi like uyazenzisa yabo.
Wenza ngathi mayehlekisi le ndaba.
Manje ngichazela mina
Sorry,
English
guys.
yahlekisa
manje ngichazela mina English.
like it's like manje sithi ayasazi usihle umhloko
Wena bakashiya experience abakubhuje ku social media. Kanjani?
kule incident le yebrand
Yo, let's have a combo.
Come.
yeah futhi intanga leyo ibe yangigrowa ngabheka ngophi manje
Yo,
I'm sorry
angalebe live ikhala.
Ngiyakhumbula tamara sibyange
Vale mhlungu intanga le ndaba le manje like intanga akekho umuntu ongafuni ngi-experience lento le understand yeah so that's why intanga benithulile manje
Manje udile kanjani ngayo la le?
yebuli kangayazi bathi yonke into uyeke uNkulunkulu angithola like phela thina asikholeli ngokufana ngithola
Yeah.
ngizoyiphinda futhi if kumele ushaye isinefu uze ube grand shaye isinefu maka mina ukuze ngibe grand ngazi ukuthi uzokhala kuNkulunkulu angithola So nanoma because umuntu masibhari chance and abathu asibhari babona nanoma babhula babona situation ukuthi njani yantwa bayahlekisa ngoba bafuna ukuthi intimidate nana mayo yazi ke
plus social media nama negative effects amaningi sike abakazi baphula wena
akazi oh bakhe baphula kulayo tama
angishopulile
tama mix
bathi
ngena kamida ngiyajoyina tanga sikuya camera utabathi ngumeka mind abathi ngihlanga inkulu yabo
kumuntu isikoko sibona ngifuna something hayi ukuthi
ngibona something like I haven't done anything to my hair
you know mega mind
ngathi yazi ngathi bani
ngathi ayi
Tamkukhiphe lapho la.
Usamaphilisi futhi.
Apetite lo mise mapetite.
No, tanga yakena kamina phela tanga. Like I think you're against because that baby ngine lizinkulu.
Ngiyakhumbula nje ushange lophila.
Yeah, man, I'm point about ngiyakumeka mind tanga.
Wayithatha phesina.
I feel like yabona izinto zamalanga like nami ngifubukela amalive uyazi ukuthi ayilike intanga hayi.
Inkinga la ngika understand khona abantu abangadlali
Khona abantu abangadlali.
ngaleyo ndlela uyafika la uborekile that day abo marachi ba live uyajoin hey sicela uvule icamera yayivula umarachi bampress
Plus Maharaji yake yasomunu kunjani nje bani.
yazi lapha ku live basanokwenza yo basanokuthi lapha ku live ungene bakuthathe bakubeke ekhaya wabeka ishade la yabo mabaceda ukuthi bathi sicela uvule ama camera Mecede ukuvula amakhamera noyithu kuzele outtime ngirebe.
Yo.
Cabanga wheelchair ufila kanjani? Cha ngicede ukubona.
Dana ngapha nama comment press.
Yo!
The same as National Pass. It's National Pass not all.
Bathi great.
Ah, tanga isimo pass mele stop, bro.
Why? Because abantu
guys that's the social smash
Accessory smash oh you look beautiful.
Yeah manje na square lapha.
special pass besina nama comment.
Tabi bedeshina. Smash, smash, abuza.
Smash.
That was not entertaining.
Mana tanga lesamay tanga.
Phela the reason isifike ku special person because
Lesamay.
yonke lento enza
Those comments, yeah.
Lesamay yo sifunyama ngathi phumele emkhukhwini. Tanga lesamay tanga simhlungu. Lesamay simhlungu tanga.
Ngiyomnyoba le.
And akasathi pass like ube ngisho kanjalo phela like
lecture la and abantu abaphumele kukhini baningi flu. Ubona ukuthi njalo.
tanga.
Press the whole day.
We love you boy.
Lapho la.
Isinathi
Tanga, let's talk. Do you think it's bad to buy brand clothes? It's like small streets.
Aye baba, it's me to something. I'm not saying it's in Nigeria or anything. Tanga like into khulumiyenza zenzele boy. Like labantu laba abakoleti next. Ukuthi uqondile ukuthi wena uthenga ngamali yabazi next. Amthatha.
Yeah.
Bheka ifoto lakho wenza into efuna ayonke umuntu. Because manga ngabathi uzobhayisela.
So when it's abantu abathengi kuma small streets as long as ba happy bona.
As long as you
As long as into beside.
Yeah, well like
Me, I don't have a problem nomuntu about small streets. Nginenkinga mase uthi wena uthenga ngalapho. Like wawungabi
ngithenge shop mina.
Sometimes be yourself.
bathi khona umuntu ogigushi makakazi ukuthi isho.
Mina I do have a problem nabantu abalokhu.
Mara ugqoka igushi.
Yeah.
Like I'm sorry, ipoint ukuthi ugqoka igushi.
Mara ishop yegushi
I understand.
Ngikushi akazi ukuthi ishop yegushi kuphi makuthi ogigushi.
Sekumele yazi manje.
Inkinga ukuthi uyithenge egushi.
Uyakena mana abantu abaziphakamisa.
Inkinga uthi
yabo.
Inkinga yabona
Indeed, oh Maharaji I get you usi sharp babheki pocket labo nani. But angeke umuntu azothenga ilokhu njani small streets then afuna ulokhu njani lokasho usachomelana nazi. Like kwenze entertainment leyo nto bese wena uthi uyangipocket nani.
Ukuthi like two sides of the story understand. So meaning ukuthi khona abanye abazoba kanjalo khona abantu abathenga
Like they do that to fit in. No, they don't need. They do that to fit in. You can find a price. They'll say Leo Kushi Kulokujano. You can get a skip a sharp, Mr. Price. Ngale price Ulokujano, singing I kush, small streets.
Yeah, mechipoto la.
Mechi pocket la kungafuni ke Mr Price.
Ngabani mina
Angifuni
nge200. Nge200.
Gushi.
into efunayo.
Nge200.
Noma ngaba iusi mara ngifuna igusha.
Machi.
Nalapha small street igusha khona kuthi 200. Probably ma 4. Lapho ke Mr Price uphuma nga 3 or phela uphuma.
Umanye wardrobe yonke.
Cabanga.
Otro bye.
Sicaba igrocery ndani.
Manje grocery malini madoda?
Otro pensi.
Grocery ngithathini sala Mr Price when sina isto.
Mr. Price.
Yeah.
Grocery.
Mr. Price.
Okay.
Athi kathi network no.
Mr. Price at Pick n Pay. Mr. Price.
Yeah.
Mr. Price grocery.
How's it?
How's
it?
Mr. Price.
Bila guys.
Okay, asimike manje. Nama niphikisa nam 8.
How?
Nga 8. Ngimphikisa.
Ngisipisa khona sinike piece.
But la inkinga ingihamba.
Amakana ngikipisa.
Subani.
Uqoke into zanto.
Awumehluko uyabona.
Uyiqale kanjani content?
Consent. Ngiqale angasakudlala ngikela benginspire kwa. Oh, LP wana problem. Problem yekena ngithi.
Yeah, problem.
No LP. Ayiba abantu abanginspire. So I thought angeke zingihlule but singiyenze ngedraft ngiyenze ngendlela yami. Because I'm the only violent. Ukhona umuntu abangamjwayela masimba.
Kumele ngishayithe.
Yeah, yini yomkhosa le.
Yeah,
Ngijwayela masimba.
Ngiyana ntango uyabuza lo mkhosa.
Yo.
Ayishani siswayo.
Hayi tangishaya tanga like
Utishaya amavideo.
Oh yeah.
Amabafethu lo LP ngabafethu.
Uliphi kunsoyimuta.
Hayi ngibona uqala account yobusithwa ngisho yokuqala.
Boy nimbe kunimbe ukujabula akusoqala
Uqala
benye.
account my besithi.
Asiyoqala bayehe.
Etaona tama lo problem. Angisho sikhuluma ngo problem one.
Yeah.
Lo problem tama mangasi cela ukushada i-collab nawe tama.
Ungajabula.
Ungavuma takubala izinto lezi abondla bezitha tanga wathi
Problem ufana ngecontent akapheli.
tanga content yakhe nginzima tanga liya.
Mara I feel like amasinobela kuliya sinayazi kahle TikTok.
Yeah.
Isikhathi sakusupha. Late.
Danko.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Yeah.
Afethu yantwana liya.
Aliyinja liya.
Aliya.
Manje sikhule sibonge
Nathi influence abantu ababhali. Just name break up. Umuntu mase angakwazi ukuphakamisela thanja yami.
Leyo nto leyo iqalana nakuma collab, ama content creators awakholapi wodwa. Have you noticed like kuyamonelwana in this industry?
Like kuyadibela.
Like angithi
I don't think mina umonelwana but in a way ngathini akusiwo wonke umuntu ofuna ukusipana nawe.
Kunzima ukuphakamisela omunye umuntu like kunzima
ukuthi yena masimba
sikhetha namasimba Maharashi namasimba lifu namasimba
tanga kulento la kumonelwana tanga competition phela.
yeah.
But why mele kuze kube competition? Phela sikhe collaboration over competition nje.
Phela tanga
Bakafethu asirine sentene like angithi yabona in terms of competition. Competing with yourself or you understand? So like mele wazi wena ukuthi uhamba.
Amachita abona ngazo ukuthi mhlambe sayenze collab I take your followers or your fans babe. But ayenzeki leyo nto. Your followers are your followers, my followers are my followers.
Wena uyashare nama followers.
Like into ozoyisho ntangane ukuthi izandla zakhe zana. I need you ukuthi uphumelele.
Yeah. Bro.
So mina ukuthi ma social collab yazi.
Siyaphakamisa ntanga ekhaya.
Understand? What is kuze simeshe
Like and another thing le yama collab isebenza ekaseliwani izosekaseliwani most of the time azivunani.
Yo tanga you know ngiyarealize abantu abahlalela ukushini one abashaya ama collab except sisowethu. Ayileza sisowethu ziyaphushana abantu.
tanga sipushana zonke.
Tanga majority.
Yashaya content nalezi kaSlam tanga.
Ubani?
Lo karawa maseko.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think.
Mara uye laba abanye yazi kuba ngathi njani wonke umuntu eDaveyton ufuna ukushaya iCollab noKaraba mara nina nonke nishuta noKaraba nifuna ukushuta nina mina ngithi laba abaqalela phansi like baphusha phansi bonke
bazodlala bodwa
abafuni ukufana bonke bafika la yeah
Kona ngitamina ngigijimisa isatile ukuthi ngifuna ukholeba nabantu abaphezulu nanani. Noma ngisuka lentwana zala ekhaya zisama YouTuber sambeni phezulu and then if samthola ophezulu kwethu ibonus. Understand? Bonus. Uma ngayithatha ziphi
mara nganizwa ngikhuluma ngama content creator mara bochela mamenshi ngisafuna ukusho le game easy for abochela
tangi easy tangi uzokuzo phela
mara ngona ukutshela bafuzana ntwana. For example, it's a drastic generation. I let you know, but like anything you like,
yeah, tangakona abafunguza khona vela abanayo lenti ku mara basipana
content asu ngokhuluma yeah content yabo
impundu like
how mara thetha ukuthi content
but
yeah mara ukuthi abochile abaningi ba trenda easy why it's either ngoba u cute
ba express amabele
bakanani lambile naba
tanga obvious amachita hleza lambile like mina ngani ngibulunga obvious
mawolino lapha uzola like obvious angishula lambile
ngiyama isesabana lokulike manje niyasibona nesihleke
that's why tanga yenze nguthi
tanga like abochile tanga mawuyichero le like u 3 steps ahead kule game
indaba le ama brand deals.
yeah
When it comes to amounts, I can keep. That's why I prefer like okay, sharp. Push an amount out like. But color you would set them somewhere. Okay, I start pictures and colors and pick out and
okay keeper though.
Yeah.
Okay keeper though. Obvious ufungenza ni pages out.
Like for example, you could have like they was calling a call, see two. Yes, you could tomorrow approach it as the lemons according to inspire so.
Oh yeah, I get you.
I understand. And then basically I'm outside. People couldn't do Williams. I know further pan. Yeah, they want to. Yeah, Marino, we are to when it comes to operating push. The man that was not I'm out in the Sastralish and I'm going to Sastralish.
Miss push and
yeah, would say Miss Bamba. Instead of Bamba, I'm fantastic.
man bizwa bochering yeza man bizwa mawutsani
yeah but it's like intanga mina itinkinya ngamazi ne ama outside ngiya because of lento overlash or ona
yeah nani ulethani TK siyaza uhlekila ngalonke yabo
TK uyahlanya yeah
exactly why intenkizi ngitshela ama outside ukuthi ungazange impress ngestore
yeah kuba uwe boy
mina ngikwazi without istore. Then why if you store busikwazile suspensisa kumele usikwatele ufile bed shuthi thina ayikho singayenza esethenga hlekani unozisijayela come on what's up baby yeah I understand so shuthi makungana store asinaphoyiniza manje
yeah ukwazi ukushila namachita wakho if abochera bekho lapho
understand
namanje la ifeel vele ngathi kushot into eyi-1 wayekinantombazana la
wena ufile kanjalo wena
wayobheka mina ngokuza le
hayi ikhona kantombazana le
hayi disayile
ikhona ntombazana la ikhona hayi konomunye
Mama outsasha man who's piercing bafethu nami nama question lawo. Igaya kubheli nyana.
Yeah, vela abanye bantwana amapili. Kanjani tani?
Yeah, mama bachita amapili.
Amapili.
Oh, amapili, yeah.
Sihle wamaswiti. Ithini le yamaswiti boy.
Hayi amaswiti.
Esidla manje amaswiti.
Ngingekile sweet lam madoda.
Tanga so like ngitshele tanga angisho obvious nama influencer nama followers la ubuchiri like oshisayo lapha ku market vele okay wamdaya wena sicale la sizoya kahle kahle
I-ex yami
wena udraya nayo okay wadraya nayo osidayini uyashisa lapha kuma internet
okay lenkinga try nayo
Samzoyikhumbuza lo ngikhohlwe.
ukhohlile
Yeah, man, good.
oh tanga okay like inkinga mdraya tanga ku internet
yeah
like
yeah
yabo mara she's with current girlfriend yami
Yeah.
current girlfriend istango umunye ora wa aninkinga ora ila tanga lisana ngathi sase America nje yabo ayisasababa nje
Oh yeah, okay. Wena mara. Oh,
tanga makaji tanga bengithi ichero ke wajola nayo eshisayo lapha ku internet
umkhumbuzo
hayi baba easy angibazi
Nyama ngibazi like.
okay yeah
Uyikhuluma.
Noma wena bona bengafakazi vele mina.
oh tanga sihlubana okay likamdra
Amantombazana ngathanda.
tanga makaji khuluma iqiniso ke wani empilweni yakho
Okay, khuluma.
mina ngibaza ukuthi
Madonna uzokwenza
bajola nawe na ngathi bajola nawe
Singadlali hathu ke,
bajole
singadlali.
nami musi
Asingakalini how to get guys.
Anikuclean madoda.
Hawu.
Ubanda.
baza buchiro bakho mina
wena ufuna isho bani
Wena ufuna ishoba.
baza buchiro
Wena
bakho
ufuna actually
wena ufuna ukuthi akushilo bani ukuthi asho bani
Uthweni kwasho nobani?
Damn link yami ngibakhohlwe free. But if you show no wrong kanti khona mina vele khona.
ku-right nalapha
Isho wani?
Manje engikhuluma naye or
hayi
Ukajola naye ofriend.
content influence
konke
oh
content influence
makaluya yaposta.
so
Yeah, kunendaba.
nginga drama nginkolo full damage
Yonke la futhi.
mara sasa kwantwana
Mina ngicela ngijudge.
Ngithi.
ayi chichi
just chichi
ish
Yeah, just cheat.
just chichi
GI
oh chichi
Oh,
Quem entrar nessa cheat que tu olha, xisa video. Ai. Love you baby. Ngicela ekhaya.
wena tanga khwadrama ba
Ngadlala amachitana ngitsemba lazy yo lazy.
oh mina ngisave
mina yakubelieve ngofuna wafuzi nawe nguchichi yanazi wena nobani
Mama zana yabona no content yami ngihlezi ngwalisa amantombazana ngibathandi labantu chance. Ngibathandi la. Angizenzi.
abathanda man should like uyabadlala
Tangunani, yeah, maybe unani feel for now. Mina ngikukhumbula lesizwe.
bani Tanga sibuyela tanga uthi abadlala tanga ukele.
Ngihlala babani angiwathanda amantombazana tanga I don't do care.
Ntombazana ngithanda yona.
I don't
Ngeke
give
impilo ntombazana ngofuna ngithanda yona.
Ena tabe amantombazana wangithandayo mina phela amantombazana sizwana.
So tanga like i-count yakhe zero. Hayi boy.
ithi hali why so
Kama ufuna ukukhuphula.
Hayi.
Abantu abanokhila kazi.
okay
Tanga bonke bayabuya tanga siyababala.
Tanga kanje ukhila.
Ayithaba nabantu masapha.
Okay, hayi.
yena lahla lapha malayo
Lahlela malayo ngila.
la wapheka khona mfana uyalahlela okay
Yeah, ne.
Tanga yini amount eningi tanga isule ku TikTok or any platform
TikTok njalo.
maximum.
1.9. Bringing like maybe this week. And 1.9 maybe 2,000. Mara then I stream my feed.
udlala boxing
Yeah.
Ukhotha maliphi?
Yobosa.
But I mean, yeah, it's like if it's Kuba no more live, ne? Like connected to my friends or like.
Yeah, siyabuzwa.
Yeah,
Ukushabi lapha. Lo mfana lo. Ngiyabuzwa
so we are connected now, like.
yeah
So obvious now, so connected now is easy. Obviously,
wena TK imali
100.
200 rand.
wayenzani naye
Tangashna ngithengi papa. Leta bese papeni tanga, yabo. Tanga bele ishtanga bese kushisa nyama tanga safari sabe nyama. Tanga. Ado mande.
Ngishisi. Like bayishisa yanye mali yawo.
Tanga ishi.
And because I was like yakwazi ukupheka like ipapa ne iflower.
Papa ne flower. Actually flower sweet orange.
Emakuleni.
Ipapa ni flower.
No like yona like ugenza ipapa.
Tawo mfumbuza amantu yasidi uthole imali intanga ehaya. Tanga ayipatali wonke ngama platform wakho.
Facebook madoda nemali.
Imali intanga. Ngiyakini patala $1 vele.
Ngikhala kanjani tanga Facebook.
Wena ungana Facebook vele.
Ikhona.
I-DVC. Ngiyakhumbula account yakho ngiyana. Konje ba?
Wakosonke.
Oh, Maki.
Angala tata la maka.
Vele bakuphe lona kini vele la.
Yeah.
Ore.
Yadala guys.
Nami ngilishintshe ngithi.
Ngiyaku Facebook ndabina amaphleso abhala wami. Akukwazi ukuthi kaza abanye bayabarekisa izithombe zami. Nini oratile. Nini ngaba so usibusiso. Tangala ngisanokuhamba ndothi sibusiso. Angazi usibabiza abantu. Mangijika bathi cela ukuthi ume lapho sibusiso. Sebangicalile manje ke lapho ku
Ninde ma-fake account.
And bakwazi ukuscam abantu bathi usihle usithengisela ama-iPhone.
Walisidle tanga ngikhetha mina ngiwani.
Vele.
Mashita nabo abanye bangaskema nabo abantu tanga. Moni mnyama madoda mina.
Hayi, tanga asisho kanjalo, tanga kinga tanga like suspicious nyama so yo.
Nali ngizozishana. Bheki.
Ithulele.
Ngiphendule lokhu.
Iphendule.
Umbuzo.
Queen Maharaj.
Lo mntana lo ukhomtra oshisa ku-internet.
Yeah, we.
Mina.
Yeah.
Control ama-influencer.
Why? Why?
Kwenzakale
Baki ngakabhaya, ngithanda ukushiro ukukhuluma kakhulu.
Hayi bonke tanga.
Okay, not mina personal ama-profile.
Bashare bane social media.
Angeke senze into eyi-1 C2 like.
Mara ngakungona tanga, uzokupostela amagezo wakho nowakhe futhi.
Yeah, mara ngifuni like.
Makaphela into kapalisa nophethu ukuthi basenzela kanjani.
Yabasipanela fele sharp.
Wena ufuni involve ngijole ku social media.
Hayi, ku-WhatsApp maybe probably abantu abangenayo bangamboni ukuthi liyajola mana social into eziningi nje.
Uyajola tanga mara wena.
Angijoli.
Mayi
So awujoli.
labo
Awujoli.
sirishare like la malangini like.
Posti.
Yenda ngabe icala uposta inontombazana. Mira picture. Yo.
Sayini tanga.
And ibamene fika. Ibamene fika lapha kwenza imbalisi man.
In the show, yabo lapha you make sure. Who's very you bring something.
Man, we been like.
Nah, she's just a friend. There's nothing that's happening between us.
Express like usenze punchana. Usenze nyama.
Hayi boy.
Yeah.
Nothing happened between us. She's just a friend.
Awuna ma.
Utsho mina.
Wazi manje set a friend. Yo. Hello, ayizazikali.
Asingene la into le. Umuntu une audience yakhe tanga maharaja amantombazana ngaka.
Maharaj is for the babies. Now I'm going to Maharaj for the babies.
Amantombazana ngaka. Gongena ku
Ngibona kumele bayisho, yeah.
Gongena ku following ngamaharaj.
Yeah, which is
Like everywhere.
I'm sure that's why the ushaya ithombe ezicute lapha.
Oh cute.
Ashaya massive.
Oh
Oh,
cute
cute.
maharaj.
Isushaya ithombe ezi.
Oh cute maharaj.
Yeah.
It's
Ushaya
all.
is
So ithombe zakhe ezicute.
Yeah.
Ithombe zakhe ezicute.
Ushaya zona. Hayi ukuthi izinjalo. Yena ucabanga kanjalo.
Wena ucabangani? Ucabanga ukuthi umaharaj.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi ucabangani makazi yena.
Uyakena ngingena ku following kuma followers amaharaj mtopa topa intanga masikushukile. Hayi lapha ntanga yuya awulahle ntanga.
Yeah, Stop off for days. Khona na kwesindi lapha makhathini.
Yonke into ndoda. Hayi vele, asinamanga
Besides kumfollow, maka host live, uyeza azojoin. Ngiyabona ukumfollow. Yazi maka fika uthi yes.
Ushaya into zakhe. Maharaji.
Yes. Yes.
Hold up. Whoa, wait.
Makatanga usi there's something about Usindi because in the past bekajona nalento nithedi ne. Influencer so anyway really there nabo bayiconfirm ngama video ya sibonile
But I believe it isn't on social media usinto yangempela.
ezinye ziriel because
Asifeke izishushinga ka Saint Push no one Black Diamond.
Well, you're saying push no Black Diamond.
Sometimes you can feel
sesisayena ngikhuluma naye hey
because the content, you wanna like much of the content you need.
Noma ngifakazanga
Yazi le mina kasesisayena
Hey, what a club. Mara guys, Mara
Okay, yeah.
like content.
Yonke into content man. Into one thing yangena social media
But wait,
content.
nakhona. And sayinokwazi uyazi ukuthi ama-friends wakho afunani. So yathi
Bese uzowanika leyo nto. No same as goes.
Ubonile le trend yakhe yamanje.
uyabo into engitshelayo
Hayi ukuthi ngithini
Sibukele isizinga lapho sesisayena bavela bonke labantwana bonke abayaviyo
Right, let them take it down.
Amna ngibukelanga.
ngiyazi
Ayina mangiyazi angenzani leyo dance.
bavela bonke lapho
But
leya
Eh?
John Van Vel.
Lapha yanda angibukelanga ntanga.
John Van Vel.
it's our joy
Wesibuza into esinjini.
angayekela
Asingabuzani into iyara smathi.
Wait, guys. A fan has a question for you.
Yeah.
What's your skincare routine? And are any of you buy?
bashothini
Basho lo ntanga.
ashuma
Legit, like to all of you. Because since I don't know, they're saying you have beautiful skins. So
hi guys it's just a light
Yo mina kanti lethi ngiyisebenzanga la ngisebenzile manje.
Oh, Sydney, you have beautiful skin. Yeah.
I mean, oh my god.
Ngizongizikeka ngisa.
My skincare routine. Just
Uyabala nobala amaphasa abangishaya.
skincare routine mahakashi ngiyakukela
Uyamazi ntanga mina vele gentle mechi. Gentleman mechi. Menchi.
yeah
Gentleman menchi.
Wena
Yadla.
nama skincare routine nina manje.
Mina ngiyavuka ngiyeza nje.
what I mean that sunlight.
Yes.
Sunlight amanzi pink.
Aphi kwenza kanjani amanzi? Angafuna ama powers manje.
Ushibay. Yakena amanzi pink ndoda. Ish.
Oh that's why nama followers angaka amanzi.
this bride is cooking gas.
itheliswa ngisho yadesha
Uma ngeleta ngoyisiphi kanje masinalo muntu amanzi aphinki.
yadesha
Ngitanga skincare yakho yini?
skincare routine
Kanye charcoal.
Nah.
Yo angixolelanga le namhlanje
Anta mina ngihleya.
Izinja ba.
Kanti ubani ususele indaba ngecomment? Ubani ucomment?
It's cadence.
And obvious. Share man. Kumbala fit.
Tanga lo commentile machita se.
yeah athi noma ngama question wala le
They
comment sayini wala
I don't count. Keep talking.
remember to listen to yes.
Yeah.
Strong language.
They remember to
uphilile na
Strong language.
Enyamfulo ya. Like it's you. I love your content. Mbeleke kulega.
Ngiyabonga kwami.
Majalo mayihlekile ethangeni. Ngithi hawu kwenzakalani? Hayi udlala.
Tanga vele i-search bar ku TikTok yenziwa yini? Hashtag.
Angithi for example
Like what's the reason yokuthi uthole lapha ku TikTok i-search bar ithi Maharaj and Watermelon?
Like mhlawumbe i-emoji
caption.
it's like caption nama-comment futhi like mhlawumbe ama-comment mawakhuluma lapha ngitheni cha Maharaj bekaqabuzana nosibani bani yabo
Angithi mina bafethu.
okay
Hayi nama ngicabuzanga muntu baba hawu.
Because can I go i-search bar ibhale kanjalo? Khona le video wayiposta wena no Watermelon. Search bar was like Maharaj and Watermelon. Vele one meets up i-search bar i-TikTok like.
Mina bakiba.
Wacabanga nje ulamanye
Ngisejele wabe ngisejele tanga.
Ngibona leyo kuseki.
Yeah, now.
Yeah,
Ngithwala
it's
ke.
sihle enhlapho prison story.
Why sihle nhlapho went to jail? Hey Lord.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngasho nini? Ngeke ngaboshwa mina mfethu.
Well, ohleli kanje.
Obvious ngisemhlabeni.
Ungahlale kanjani?
Ngeke kanjani?
Njengazi free boy.
Kamba ngithothi ngiminyela.
Minyile le
Lesiphumile indabeni zesijele guys. Ijele nanande kuyi-content. Nothing personal. Ngicela nikeni kungibuza ngento zesijele kanjani. Angiboshwanga guys. I'm too young ukuthi ngaze ngiboshwe.
Yeah.
Simple.
So mina Jenza ngisho nama-content creator ngifuna ukunga 1 minute each. Umunye nomunye ask something elahisayo. Nama-comedian, nama-entertain. Hayi.
Ngoba thina asihlekisi like
Ya uzoshaya lezo kuba cute.
Manje ngoba thina
eish
Like ngifuna ukubona like the planning process of the type of content oyenzayo like sike uyicabange nini like ukuthi khawa la video ashaya ngathi umntwana omncane la ngathi na 16 yo 16 incane 10 ngathi na 10
Noma like ipersonality yakhe ibhizinisi lokhu njalo kuye.
like mara ama ideas apho yo la kuzoyenza kanje ngithi yabo bese bathi kids unprovoked kids be like
Uthi bathi khaya ngasalala nawe cause wena ekini niyalo.
bathi ekini ni apangisho yeah.
Uthi ke kwakhi?
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 No, I don't need to.
Bathi ngakaki na.
yeah but then that's what I'm asking like iza kanjani your idea engqondeni like we know it's things that are happening every day like but to turn it into content and to make it into a 1 million view type of video phela to get 1 million views it's not a joke it's even if it's on TikTok but like it's not easy people think it's easy to sell shy video it's only 1 million views akukho easy
Abanye ku easy ta. Abanye ku easy.
abocheli ne easy ibele man ibele
Kamera wena ngizibukile izinto le. Shela manje.
Oh.
Chirako.
how okay
Nami ngisho msenga zibukile lezi.
Vela sizibukile izinto.
ngisho
Oh like shithi indaba leya mengabe nentshebe ingavela ngingakhuluma
iyavela kancane kancane
awani
Ngizobona
zona
ukuthi
Ithi le ngathi abanye sizoyibona na.
yabo
Like once abanye nje sizoyibona na.
bhekile ngifaka. Ngasele.
so that's what I'm saying sky no 1 minute is born like TK this is what you do
Hayi no ngiyumile sikwazi ukufikisa abantu thina ndoda.
uzofikisa abantu
Asikwa okay sikwazi masezile kuya nevideo. Masibhekile ngikuvela udanga. So
no into bengibuza ukuthi like mangathi my fa ngikufaka stage lapho queue nayi one sihle nayi my cha
that's why ngingabhukhelwa vele ukuthi ngihlekisa abantu.
ubukela
Angibukho.
Mina ngabhukha ta.
Ungabahlekisa abantu.
yeah ushaye
Ngichamela le stage.
Oh ngisho mai.
mina ngifila ngathi lo TK ne My food. Engasihlekisa the whole day.
Yeah, my phone.
My food.
Hayi inkinga manje ngiyazi ukuthi mangifuna kanje ngizoshaya yabo.
Manje bobaba ngimeni kahle.
Wena ubani ushaba? Ubani ecute ayishayani?
And lezi zikhithi zobompi yakhe.
Guys, now guys, I don't do such.
Hayi bakushaya la.
Bamintshele nawe ngicela.
Akanawo.
Hayi wasaba.
Ayikho ndoda abantu.
Abela mali ubuntu like
Comment. Comment.
Kanti ngiphele nama topic man.
Oh, kanti kumele mina.
Yeah.
Oh. Hey. Kana ninhlekeni mangikhuluma yabo.
Yeah, so hleke.
Nhlekeni. Sobona nomzana. Atanga ngizangikhori.
Oh, that's the end. That's the end. We can do it.
Angikhori.
Yeah, in this.
We can do it.
Oh, tanga uyintombazana ne.
Example.
Na umuntu amara ngikhetha mina ukuthi ube intombazana manje.
Ukina ngiyelo.
Nani
lo.
Hayi ngangweni.
Usikhethele ukuthi ubani intombazana.
Uthi ngithanda batakuphi. Yep, uthi kunjani?
Ngazina ithanga, uthembe ngizina uhlophe nya.
Ani TikTok angeke spend ma.
Tanga nix. Ayikuspene wa.
Wasiloko sikhasa amakhapha.
Hayi.
Mina ngabiyasho la.
Ayisho.
Ngithini?
Oh.
Restriction. Ukwazi ukubona ukuthi like isikhuza.
Like amishi analyze akucala.
If no bikhelo tshwala ya.
Ngalokho nyane ngiyaphuza.
Okay, yeah, uthi intombazana.
Ngitanga ukubulala abantu abangaki ta.
Ngaqala ngangibulala umuntu.
Angumbulali.
Ngishita yini ukubulala abantu abayifiki.
I-masturbation ifana ne-abortion.
Tena mina ngizobona i-ID yakho.
Angayini ta. Lesizele wena nane.
Ngishaya ntanga. Okay.
Ngishaya ntanga. Asisomisa ikizinyama kanjani ntanga?
Ezakantwana bashare i-picture mode.
Abantu basindile nekhaya.
Alokhu bayifaka i-vivid vele.
Yeah. Bela, sina simnyama levi.
Tawungasizi nalezi bani.
Tanga ngiyasapha mina.
Ngasizi nalezi.
Tanga ngeke.
Hayi baba. Yeah.
Akeshi tanga wona.
Shithi le yami ne. Iva yini ne.
Keshi champise.
Ngizotha.
Ngokala.
Ayifunile phone. Hayi le phone. Vela ngiyazini.
Welcome to another exciting episode, Make G. Yeah. How's the weekend, Make G?
Chief, it was right, you know.
Yeah.
Mara still Saturday, tanga sokruva. Hayi thina buzwe. Mara sokruva.
Amas.
Awabuzile.
On the age, not the
Yo. Shikaphuza ibisi kakhulu mntana wami.
I'm 10 times more. Hey, konje siwani sigiso kuyasikhuluma ngesizulu. Yize no moyo mubi la.
hayi tanga sikhuluma isizulu. Tanga ngizele wena tanga la kahle.
Yeah.
Ngoba manje sithi ama trip sine salary siyakhona kahle nje. This brother. I don't know if you already covered this, but this brother.
Winter.
Tanga. Scenario, ne?
Yeah.
I give you a bed.
Yeah.
You're drinking. I give you a bed. You get to chop every day. And then this bed pays you to be with her. You have a salary for dating a bed. You have a salary to date a bed. Well, now you be like, you know what, Chief, I want to go to the mines. I want to work hard.
Umyekile?
Vele tanga lami iya manje bengimcabangela bengafuni bring up leyo ndawo. Like ukwenzelani lo ndawo ngiholela umuntu njalo. Ukwenzelani umekeleni ngibheka manje useMdubai kumnandi.
Ngisile Dubai.
Nangangiphotho.
Phela manje 10K has been 2K.
Ngabe
Oh manje sinamasalari zonke la.
Yo, ngabe igcoko ze-Nike.
That's why they put them small.
Yeah.
She's in your corner. She's South Face, man. South Face.
Phezulu usikali khona la comment.
And I'm gonna my chance.
Tanga kunjani kuba nama-threats ta?
That's nice.
And I gave him
Ngintanga sisekuwe sithi yo. Ngithola isofa lelathe wena.
But But kona ama-threats itsili ufuhlanya awufunga kahlanya.
Tangihela nehamba
Ah, but it's Charles, chick, Charles under here, bro. It's the one night. Why man? I have a crush here. She's crushing on me.
Mina ngiyokuzitha. Uke wezwa bathi ukujana umuntu onama-threats ufe angahlanya.
hayi.
Bonke bayahlala.
Bonke bayahlanya.
No, but you know what I hate. Though?
Like le ambetha la kuduwe mayisakhuya.
Mina
No. It was Jaco.
Ngi-rapper na.
Cool. Oh
I'm an artist. You can see. that.
Artist.
Yeah.
yeah, give us a bars there. Yo, Taji.
Yo.
Taji.
No, wait. I'll give you pass. I think you need my influence and feel like you get some of my jokes. So
Sneaky pake.
You know, my thing is on my shoes.
Okay, how you say it has to.
no, but like, I feel like the misconception of me that I hate is that when you see a person with dreads, you automatically think, happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think but
Jangan
it's
mop.
hard.
Jangan mop.
Bawungamphenduli.
He's roasting you, okay. Apologies for the way I arrived, man.
Ikaw tama-threats na bago.
Yeah, come on, this is one body. I'm not going
Oh, TK is fine.
Good money.
You're gonna be shy when I'm on the high pants. That's what I'm like.
Tanga zitheni ufuna isofa le-extra large. Tanga white na.
Ngisho bathatha lo wamangazi abantu
Bathinta kabi.
Tanga iyashaya, tanga ukuthi uncomfortable.
So, my headphone.
abantu amayaluma bayaqhubekana naso.
I'm sure siyagoba emnyango mfana.
Nawumude mos.
Hayi, tanga.
Umuntu omfishane manje ngami. Yazi amanye amathopika kumela ngofakazi.
Nangithinta ngedola bemanje.
Baba.
Ai, yes, man, give me a big kill. Yes, I say, papi.
Yo,
The bishop went to show up.
Shibara ngamadodo.
I'm not very able to show what I can.
Aisha nifanisa la.
I'm so tired.
You can't very show.
I'm so tired, man. So neta.
And I keep sitting in the garden. I'm going to keep sitting.
Yo,
Tanga mna nkobuza question ta. Like wephele nginomude ta. Okay, tanga wephele shama-threats again.
Wait.
Now.
But
Oh yeah. Now I'm the only fan.
But say ni mo shama-threats like movie now.
That's what I'm saying. They thought I smoked at first.
But makusapotile man.
This is not a career I'm chasing. What are you saying?
bese bakusupport.
J. Cole. I'm coming J. Cole.
Makusapotile ta. Azange bathi ngistabani watu.
Yeah.
Seven, bro, you look gayer than I do, though.
Nah, dog, it's because like you know like handsome.
You know, when you see this video.
Yo.
Alright, I'm here.
I'm done. We're talking this again.
Like 50% behleli ikhona mabele.
Mama, yo, I'm a kino.
Wahamenge panish.
Nithatha lo ngithatha kama ama-Spanish.
Kan mahamanga.
Yeah,
They too.
like lesbians, you know, when they're just trying to be manly and stuff, with young pop up.
Yeah,
Flatten them out. Best Bashama, huge teeth, then they walk around the streets. Best of Tanga.
Grade
They're so pure.
Grade 8.
Ah, ngamathi.
Grade 8 ngafunda ne-lesbian. Like unyaka wonke nga-discover ukuthi i-lesbian ngawumashumi kanje. Phela obviously ngifuna ukutshayela into zami ngilishaya ifuba uma ngithi hayi man.
Yeah, but I feel like that was best. Imagine if she's like a gent, and then we am share, and then you think it's a girl, but she looks pink like I want to TK. So this is like I'm share. Basically, like 2 months down the line, you wanna go down there and you.
Uthola like ngivela lo rabe naye ngiPanish. Nawe raba ngiPanish.
Yeah, mire la language.
But
But you have experienced this. Why made this pose when I say, can become one man. Boy, in Zanja.
I'm not feeling like that. You
don't do that as much. I don't do that as much. Nanisha man
I didn't say like cold, but it's not like not cold. I was thirsty.
But guys,
Yeah. What did you say?
Imagine saying
Yeah.
Unfortunately, not for you. Unfortunately, not for you. You couldn't buy your love. So I don't understand what you say.
Why not?
This man has morals. This man has morals. This man has a career. This man has charisma. He knows what he wants.
Go ahead, man.
Come on, come on, Shooty.
Good man.
Yeah. Yeah, guys. Let me boy me. No. La. No. I'm not going to come.
Oh, movie.
Externally so.
But see, like what you see from the outside.
It's not what you see from inside. So
what if you kiss the Akina mattress? But I get who ask. Man, guys, I'm never fit to me. I don't think quite.
Yeah. Regardless if the contract says 50K.
I will give 50 down.
No, I'm not saying it was 50. I'm saying if it was 50, maybe we would have been talking. Like 50. 50. A hippo. Oh. For 50, you can give me a curfew. I'll be there. Type shit, I'll be there. For 50K. 50K.
For a week or for. You won't be working.
You're not working. Your only work is to operate. I'm a researcher. I was researching Google the Maharaja's crisis. I'm researching Maharaja's dilemma. I'm gonna write a book about it. Yeah. Chapter 1. You see, gays are sitting together, as you can see. The gays are together. The friends are not. What dreams mean? But I do. you do it
Like,
do I have to because come on guys.
finally I'm a cheap, I'm really cheap, I'm a cheap, I'm
You see how I'm supporting you now in your now.
so really how fast you pound it.
Nafasi po.
How fast on the pound in a manga.
I'm sure Mary will not acquire. I'm going to go out and see. Immediately. Umchita kasafana ngapho spray. Ngifika vele. Product. Sizela, noma ngathiwa Mike, akunasika we. Ayazi hair product.
May bad with their products.
I used to.
Man, we starting.
No. I used to.
Amazing good year Mike.
Ungasi la matres la.
I was thinking of it. I was just looking for a really good reason. I was looking for a good reason. Kika Shai stopped and I was familiar boy. No homo dog. No homo ne. Yeah, I'm doing this as a gent. Not my No, but then what happened though? What made you decide blonde? Blonde.
Tangas may being experimenta makhala yabo. Kala mo black, alam lang mo yelo. Ay ake khwilo. Kala mo black ngathi red yabo ngathi hayi.
Athi man,
Blonde uzongifanele. Mara
athi man.
mara uyakena ngisho lama filter lawa wamadai. Yabo. That's all blonde. Ay timusha yabo. Mama ngiyawusha what's oh, are you that blonde guy from campus? You. Yeah.
This guy's talking like he's single. This brother. Hey, dog, didn't you say I'm sorry, babe? I see this guy.
I'm not sure you umbam.
How long? How long?
Eh?
How long?
Oh, tanga ikali. 2 months. Ikali phamwe izoba I think or izoba.
Ha.
One come on.
Igama ta.
Come bro has information. Bro has information.
Come on.
Oh, ta igama ta.
Kala ngopi.
Ay do. Tanga igama ay.
Oh, Springbok.
Tanga late P down tasekhaya.
My sister, they are cooking you already. That's fine. Peace the sister.
Yeah, she come.
Hey, kubuya amazi P boy.
Bale. Oh, tanga.
You're dating Bali.
What the ujoin no bad.
Umbali.
Umbali. Serious. Ngafika sidala ujoin no bad. Usinikele ngombali.
Ayamthanda mfana.
Mfethu khuzana ungathi.
The problem is you love her and she loves 6 guys. You see?
Ay.
Sakule pie chat.
Yo,
Later, now I 6 down.
What is the 6 guys? And they're cooking you.
I mean, giving nation
Nah,
down.
never Bali, bro.
Giving nation down with time. Não sou conhecido, tá? Mas
Mara tayo kami ka.
Dapat kaya kubalo right. Ungat kami kaya kubalo right.
Yeah, correct. Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pizza perfect. There is a easy 80.
Exactly. Yo, man is cooking. Dog, man is cooking.
Easy 80, man. I'm sorry.
So tanga utang. Ika malilimbali kes.
So,
Man, get dependent with like.
Yeah, get depend to. We have to depend to.
But now I get dependent.
Kunombali enhle angazi kunombali wethu ubani bese kunombali
Mbali.
As long as we know.
Umbali upalisa ubani munye umuntu.
Salisa phela tasekhaya tani. Saka uzibethe kahle.
Ya umbali upalisa uthando ubani umuntu.
leyo.
Yeah, for now. For now. So yeah, pick him.
Ndanze yinda.
Wait, you man.
Angel,
Athi ngibiza amagama abantu abanihethile madoda.
Karab.
Yeah, legit, but yeah.
Ngeke niwona ukuthi unekalata.
Maharaj.
Amntana kimi uzokhula tanga like akakaqala.
Oh, tanga sasena 13.
Yeah, yabo yes, upcoming.
Sasena 13.
Mina. Ngikwenze ke upcoming. Simple as that. Upcoming.
After 12
Wait, yeah, that meeting in a minute after 12. Because like legit, I was confused because first time I heard it, I thought you were saying after 12 is lunch, isn't like after grade 12. So now
is lunch.
after 12 years.
After 12 years, then iya manje labantwana bamanje laba bavuthwa fast yo.
Also when we are shooting to land the fast.
Hayi ukuthi ngithini manje.
Oh.
Angisho ukuthi
Kanani bafethu ningazenzi.
Bazingani ngone labantu.
Wenzani? Ubengitanga like makhulile emakhaya ne. Like me makhulile kumamengo vele. Ekinyo bangakabuthi ngiyahamba lapha.
Yeah.
Ngizol bese hayi. Ngiyenza kanjalo. Ngiyizo lezi.
Ngiyamanje ukuthi bayela dang.
If I went out Ubanta like the youngest person you've ever dated in a
Legit though, I didn't know. I didn't know because the body was like
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Face quality.
No, I'm sorry, it was rape was, it was already rape was, so I was like,
Ngikusho dang.
chop rice.
Aribo
Chiban.
No, can 5 roses lapha. Hayi Aribo sai.
Yeah, probably. But yeah, and then I didn't even check the grade, bro. I just checked the body, checked the skin tone, and I was like, fresh. And it turns out after I child, she was like 13.
Bona like
That's it, that happened. It makes it worse when you say that.
I wanna see you.
Ngifuna ngayo.
No, guys, it's a case pending, believe me, how old I was.
18 19 ngayo. Bula ngayo.
Awuhambile even manje.
So sokolisa makwesini, sokolisa. Ngicabangile ngizokuthi makwesa mawangena la ngizokolisa.
Sengicabangile.
But there's no proof. I know.
Yeah, there's no proof.
I'm not proof you could bona 20.
Yeah.
Yeah, like legit. I think 3-4 years back.
So na that man.
My child is. I finished school.
So na
back.
that man.
Okay,
fine.
Yeah, but I was 17, 18.
Yeah, 18. Mfana na 18.
Ikepekina.
Mfana mngana na 18 una 18.
Let's get.
Mfana mngana na 18.
Kwelandile.
That's your average. 3 years.
Ike palandini. Wena si.
Mara shenzi. Asileke ukuchachana ukuthi sishona abantwana abancane. Ama parents wethu la ayilingana.
That's what I'm saying.
But the thing is something ama parents wenu ahlanganye at 18 yeah vele after 18.
Ayilingana.
No, so you're saying if a 40-year-old guy gets with like a 25-year-old, it's good.
Or 40, 18.
Hey, chief, me, I don't feel.
It's cool.
Like billions are
That happens, but I'm still not
generation, bro.
that's all chero yakho manje. Amele befriend.
Girls mature faster than boys.
Hayi kodwa khola lapha.
Chelo yabanta.
Angisho ngikhamu. Mayihlaba vele Cinderella agcwele statue.
No, when we pose my question, I could ticket. When youngest.
Youngest
In the scheme of
being 18 yabo. My being thrown on Nickel grade 6.
No, great. She could have failed.
Because in Cambodia, I got Barashi.
Yeah.
I feel again. I'm
Plus na ngathi mncane phela.
Tanga oh, ngiyomzi. That's okay fine. Le research ibalekile ta. Yabo?
Yeah.
Babalekile.
I-research tang ibalekile ta. Baleka buhlungu so mayitanga hayi.
Maybe kuyohlangana noCherry manje starting.
Yeah, tang sa justify cha. I-research balekile. Ngayenza research after akwena tang ngaphosha tang. After research manje.
You left.
It's after research yeah clear.
But you didn't child.
Posh tang hayi.
You never child. Your story is irrelevant. I'm speaking about things you regret. Tanga shit about.
But I was said one thing you regret tang.
Regarding what? Regarding life or hard?
Ile to buy.
Manje usaluza.
Yeah. That was Spencer Matot.
Ulikuleta?
Yeah.
But then serious.
No, I'm not moving away from this.
Okay, sure.
What do we take on?
And he's one of
Go,
you.
Jonathan.
And the obvious chance like I don't know.
You don't get anything.
Oh, Zulu.
That's the logic. You know, this is a man speaking.
Everything you feel, it is
Yeah.
it's with intentions.
Even if you're off.
Contradiction.
Yeah. Body count that can feed Prapan, you know, it's crazy. So,
It's
no regrets.
I've had I mean if you land be or your account of
Okay, I feel you.
yonke into ngiyenza intentional
I'm not mistaken.
without any fear of contradiction.
Tangani into esolana.
Oh, story sasejele la.
Eta umuntu amai.
Ungazi ngaleyo nto tanga and everywhere mangivela manje bathi mina
I'm criminal record.
ngibona inkinga ile mafethu.
Ai de vere.
I don't know personal record.
Ai bridi vere.
Oh, it's a breed.
Awa bridi.
Ingasizi.
Ai cungela vere.
It's a war makaraso.
Yeah, who's the
Lisa.
But consent is consent.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm for you.
No, me.
You know so long.
But yes.
Tahu tu awak dress. Itu dress ne?
No, it's in dress.
Oh.
Yeah. Why would I wear a dress?
Jangan asal format.
But legit, there was a point in my life I looked like a hand. Because I was chubby and stuff, so
Tahu cari dah.
yeah.
Can't
Legit, can't
believe.
believe, yeah.
They got your video.
Yeah, so this one guy, crazy stuff. Being buggy when I was being buggy. This one older guy.
Why it was next mind?
Because he was child. Me, I refused.
Child?
I refused. So
Oh, should they came back at time like.
yeah, but I won't share that dog. I was most content, both genders. Yeah, I wasn't playing.
proudly so?
Awas lagi
This Cruella was like, hello my sister. I'm walking with my bras, and my bras are like, your knees are talking. I'll buy you a large. So like he's like, excuse me, my sister, and like I'm like, is he talking to me? And then the Jen started laughing because
That's never his
yeah, I didn't develop yet, so ish.
awas lagi man fan.
Nah, no, even the other Jen that doesn't like me. No,
Masih ingat with Down syndrome.
no, it's because I don't have a polo.
Alapha nje mbe bathi mabamdrawanya. Sathena belela ngirapha. Phela ngishazo uNkulunkulu bathi thatha isikhathi. Yabadraw umuntu. So wena bathi mabamdraw thana ya.
Wrong.
I'm gonna take that one. I'm stealing. I can't get a steal quote. Yeah, but legit. But the one thing I regret is I feel it's too deep. But I'm just gonna say it. I think not taking school seriously from the get go. I feel like I was serious, like you know, in the primary stages, and then high school. Boy,
Again, at the primary till I was 7. High school, no.
high school, you just like I don't care. Then you wanna be serious again. It's like that whole you see that place where you were not serious. It could have like made a whole difference to what you were doing right now. So that's what I regret. But either way, I regret.
Oh,
I saw
okay.
this as nice.
Yeah.
Go. Abantu mayithanda nje njenge content. If we could discuss some content.
Ngabe sifunda khona ndanga.
Yeah, I understand.
Ngabe sifunda khona ngabe siyapasa.
And if you could isikole sama trends. Yabo.
Kodwa ngawuthola kule rules 7 hours. Wina makam.
Mina manje ngibona ngokuqala ngithi la athi kumani kunethi. Ayo. Lo iflithi ntanga yo lo iflithi ntanga ngazabathi ntanga. Ngekwazi ukuthi find out.
Keep rejecting offers, man. Telling jokes on a podcast is the best thing you're gonna do in your life. I'm telling you. Keep rejecting offers. You'll see. This is the best thing you're gonna do. No, Jens, we bring it up. No, but otherwise, Jens, I feel like I'm sorry I was late, by the way, Jens. If you has been sad,
Bosa.
I was washing clothes.
Oh.
Right, I was washing clothes. So this guy.
I'm like, it's a dress at home again.
No, can't believe it now. It's fine.
And I'm watching next, man. Stop, somebody. That's the coordinates. Now we need to next.
So, we got into this.
My pet is shall escape. Okay, yeah, James. Yeah, James, last 5 minutes. This is a grand, yeah. Need to get Zagalani. Mo, empilweni like Tanga when you have artist.
Artist.
Yeah, like a toy, not like Kula.
Yeah, you.
Mas não sai já, tá na minha.
Mas faz isso black, tá?
Yo!
Is it cool, wow?
But yeah, but like.
Umuntu othandayo. Bona ngezenzo.
Umuntu othandayo, bona ngezenzo.
Trena matres. I typical TT. Dress.
Dreadlocks.
Yeah, that you cooked me there. I had to just retaliate 50%, I couldn't let it slide. But that's what
I'm flying.
are you trying to say? What are you trying to say?
I'm not saying anything bad, like, but the guy image in Palantine.
Yeah, I mean, that's what I hate. That's what I hate about it. I was gonna cut them off just for that, and then I realized I'm not gonna make people like change. Yeah,
Meet and boys.
I might try waves though, maybe next year. I don't know.
Kakas, we've seen.
But be gay for like a semester, like tie my hair,
Ambitious, cool, man.
tie my hair, you know.
Do you think like I'm
Like white people like light skin.
Yeah,
Girls have this thing of saying, yeah, I'm into dark skin, but they are dating light skin.
okay. What you like?
What you want to yellow tone?
I'm sure about white skin, but pink.
But soft. Listen, a girl has one type. Just have money, bro. Get your affairs in order. That's the only type they care about.
Yeah.
That's it. When it's man, you're gonna be like me. Have dreads, be cute, and have hoes.
So that's somewhere. Yeah, okay, keep in mind.
Nah,
Yeah, chance asivaleni shining amala stwatwati lapho.
no. You were here first.
Anyways, guys. That's my beat though.
Kazi kabangani. Kabanga yes.
Yeah. I'm not gonna show you the cry.
Tangale style asize kanjani?
Size kanjani vele?
Oh, yeah. They talk about the
Yeah, liyasepitoli.
yeah, kweli video le. Je, mwana. Yeah, my everyday crush. I tell you video there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so me that video there being shy and far. Like book video one of the videos in my but my kumula better pay I think don't kata viewer madam ke like drop la video ni ndio ni post abele mangi ya kutitwa mfungula bela la video until bele mina no tala sibele sisaqala ke lapha masishona mala shana ma intro yajimsa boy on mas mojo ndo joina shali intro ya jimna mangena ngithi tala yakumbula ngithi yeah so from there thatha into la ka jimna izinto zamphakathi ngayishaya
Tawela biza ngomara stang. Botswana
like ika Maharaj ne Maharaji mangesearch no it's the great ruler king boy
India.
yeah
Tawela biza ngobani?
so mina bengafuna ukuthi king or ngithi inkosi right boy
Anga igama lakho vele uTK okutakalo.
Oh, tama tsikolo.
thokozana
Utukulu.
Yeah.
Utukulu.
ngithi thokozana
Tama nix.
Yeah.
Wena bakubiza ngobani tama?
Like my parents or just people.
Abantu tama.
girl come about
Like you did no, people just know it's KG.
Girl.
Who's jail? No, they just KG.
no but it can't come to the cow
Yes, I.
Ese masikataba la pagini. Masikataba la pagini. Yo. Unoputi.
Anyways, guys, bafuna ukukhuluma. TK, share something nawe ke ubatshele something Silvan.
Something kanjani tama?
Usho ukuthi yes.
Kamina tang ngibachela feel something ne.
Angas.
Ngicela subscribe yini. Yabo. Ngicela like lapho. Sina dlubuto matrata zokwazi ukukunda.
Please follow me on Facebook.
Ayakho umuntu ayazipa abanyane chip nyana.
Yeah, awivale.
Makala abantu angafuna umshini okhulupjana. Yabona. Yadlala.
Yeah, retaliate ke yo.
Nice is fighting. Oh, it's 90 minutes. Let him.
Phela vele uRev Master ayishaya.
Anyways, girl, keep pushing. Santana, njengoba lesithanda.
Angifuna ukukhuluma i podcast yo.
Yela khethu.
Oh. You guys
Ufuna umsebenzi lapha ku FM le.
He didn't sign a contract. He's trying to get employed.
He represent.
Anyways, guys, TK, last words, boy. Umaka kuzothi.
keep pushing, believe in God. You know, everything you do, there's a pain. Wise words from Maharaj.
Tight shit. Last words.
Nah, not really. But yeah, don't have dreads unless you're willing to take the criticism, you know?
This is cyberbullying.
Yeah, don't have, make sure we get this Indian guy deported, you know? Yeah, comment below and vote. And then, yeah, guys, like, share, subscribe, support the boys, you know, they're working hard so they can give you daily content, you know, so support us as well. Yeah,
Every day. No, see there, last words, therefore.
Yeah.
Vela la kuba shy last week.
Mina.
Yeah.
So then, who's the happy life?
Why mina maka? Wena usho nini wena?
Mina sengishilo.
Okay, let's see that. Come teach you what, yeah. I feel like if you had the mask, bro.
Guys, last words. Phela sikeni bullying guys. So sibulala thina.
Very serious.
Angikwazi sifana namahlangu guys. But otherwise guys, ngicela like ni subscribe, ngiqhubeke ni support and so on. Thanks.
Thank you guys for watching. We out and
Ngiyokama sokufika.
Ngiyashisa yona mala
Yeah, it's true.
Sesiqedile manje.
Yeah,
Last
yeah,
30
yeah.
years, yeah. Come on, then. And then about 30 years,
Lang tshwara chat. Lang tshwara chat. Gentle shy. Yeah, gentle shy.
But
Yeah?
Tangi sase live le. Ithi tanga. Oh, ungakayicimi tanga. Oh, ithi tanga.
Kumele check. Uring.
What's up, guys? Hey, Mike. What's up, guys? Show TK. Oh, tangi Mike tang. What's up?
Sini score sepirate.
Oh, noma ngihamba nayo. Etanga if I
Isana receiver. Angifuni ke toilet ngelive.
Ikufenda. Oh.
go.
Ah, tanga ima straight.
Kumele banjwe yimba then tholwana.
Sure.
Tatamela po uzokhona ukuba average.
What's up, guys?
Yo guys, it's your boy Sihle Nhlapo.
It's your boy TK.
It's your boy Sihle Nhlapo. So noisy.
Ah, ilenjalo yase next door. Iyakhuluma le nje.
Zikhaya nje zikhaya.
Athetha. Oh, yeah.
Asakusu.
Oh. Tawa manje ivayithi oh. Eh? Hayi, ngisayi kuphuthi.
Wama. Notang. Bigala.
Bali womntana.
Bigala tang.
Sanibona guys, sanibona.
Iktasa sikhasta.
Exception. Oh, yamfuna ve. Hi.
Manje tasenza njani ke ngoba uthini bathi abasayicula ngale kwakhe.
Leki kuyaziphi?
Abampathala ngobosi.
Engeke ngizwanga mina.
Manje abamufathela transport.
Katanga marutsiki ungche ne live yakhe.
Abamufathela transport. Mari.
Guys, tanga siki wayang siya ni live yakhe mas. Sige, dota siya kakakan. Tanga siya kakakan. Endota. Siya kakakan. Engane kanjani? Woza bangazi ngithini ebantwini bakho ndoda mina.
Inevo. É blanco.
Ha si live ngifoni yami kanti. Tanga bengabona ukuthi ifoni yami singeva.